Running a modern service facility requires precision. Introducing the Oil Management System, the ultimate solution for the automated metering and dispensing of oil. It is perfectly suitable for automotive workshops, heavy-duty industrial applications, and even mobile vans. The process begins with centralized control. Demand is securely entered into the system via our OMS Controller Software, establishing a full audit trail from the very first drop. Security is paramount. The operator validates the demand with a unique passcode at the keypad. This built-in anti-theft system ensures total accountability. Once authentication is complete, the pump instantly starts dispensing the oil. A highly responsive solenoid valve is actuated via a precise signal received directly from the pulse meter. Back at the bay, the mechanic uses the control gun to dispense the oil. Experience efficient and fast dispensing right where you need it most. Only the predefined amount will be dispensed. This completely prevents wastage of oil and drastically reduces human error, resulting in significant cost savings. Beyond dispensing, the system provides easy inventory reconciliation alongside comprehensive data for future planning and usage analysis. Take total control of your fluid management.